Hello students, we will discuss about the field type of thermometer in measurement of temperature. Field type thermometer consists of Bourdon tube, a capillary tube and a thermometer ball. All are interconnected. The entire point is sealed after appropriate liquid filled by NTP or commonly used like mercury, ethyl alcohol, etc. Liquid expands or contracts with gain or loss of heat till measured temperature is attained equal to the expansion or contraction of the Bourdon tube. There are different type of thermometers like gas filled, liquid filled, mercury filled and vapor filled. Field type thermometers in first which is liquid filled thermometer. They work on the principle of liquid expansion with the temperature rise. The filling liquid is equally inert hydrogen xylene, which has 6 times more than expansion coefficients than mercury, decreasing the bulb position. One certain to the maintain is that the pressure inside must be greater than the vapor pressure of the liquid to prevent formation of the bubbles inside. So the functions of the liquid is all not permitted. In mercury filled type thermometer, similar to the liquid filled type thermometer, but provides rapid response, accuracy and plenty of power. Pressure is high than the 1200 psi as a low 400 psi. The high pressure reduces the head effect. They are normally contained in stainless steel bulb, increasing the corrosion resistance. In vapor filled thermometer, here the bulb is partially filled with the liquid and partially with the vapors. Now we discuss about the resistance thermometer. They are also called the RTD, like resistance temperature detectors. They are used to measure the temperature by the correcting the resistance of the RTD element with temperature. The RTD element is made from a pure material, typically platinum, nickel or copper. The material has a predictably change in resistance as the temperature changes, and it is the predictably change that is used to determine temperature. The elements are pretty fragile and they are kept inside the seated probe. RTD sensing elements construct a platinum, copper or nickel have the repeatably. R resistance versus temperature relationship are defined the amount of resistance change the sensor per degree temperature change. Now we discuss about the resistance thermometer. Platinum is a noble metal having the most stable resistance temperature relation over the largest temperature range, making the best element for the RTD with a very high repeatedly over than the 272 to 961 degrees Celsius. Platinum is also chemically inert. Nickel has a limited temperature range as over the 572 degree Fahrenheit. The relationship need tends to become non-linear copper through the very linear relationship. RTD are used resistance as a function of temperature change and require a power source operate. There are different type of formula are used in like the Wendel's equations. Resistance thermometer. The sufficient characteristics of metals used to as a resistive element is the linear approximate of the resistive versus temperature relationship between 0 and 100 degrees Celsius. The temperature coefficient of resistance is called alpha and the equation as is given. Here the R100 is the resistance of element and R0 naught is the resistance at 0 degrees Celsius. Pure platinum has alpha is 0.003925 ohms This 0 to 100 range is used to construct the laboratory grade RTD. Now we discuss about the construction of the resistance thermometer. These elements nearly always required to insulated with lead attached at temperatures below about 250 degrees Celsius. PVC, silicon, rubber or PTT insulators are used. Above this, glass, fiber or ceramic are used. The measuring point usually most of the leads required having protective seals often made of the which chemically inert to the process being monitored. Here the resistance thermometer is shown in the figure. Resistance thermometer in wiring configuration. There are two wire configuration. The simple resistance thermocouple configuration had two wires. It is only used when the high accuracy is not required, as the resistance of the connecting wires is added to the sensor, leading to the errors of measurement. Resistance thermometer wiring configuration is shown here. There are three wire configuration. Uh, in order to minimize the effect of lead resistance to the three wire configuration can be used using the method two leads of the sensor are on the joining arms. These are the lead resistance to each arm of the bridge, so their resistance is corrected out as long as two heads of resistance are equal to same. This configuration allow up to 600 meters of the cable. The circuit is shown in the figure. Now we discuss about the resistance thermometer wiring configuration. It is a 4-wire configuration. Resistance increasing the accuracy of measurement of resistance. 4 terminal sensing elements voltage drop in the measuring leads at the contributions to error. To increase accuracy further, any residual thermometric voltage generated by the different wire type or screwed connected to the element by the reservoir of the direction of 1 milliampere current to the DVM digital voltmeter. Here is the wire type element and the coil type element shown in the figure. Now we discuss about the resistance thermometer element type. There are three main categories of RTD sensor are film, thin film wire, mounted wire and coil elements. Like carbon resistance are used to ultra low temperature -130 degrees to 273 degrees Celsius. Carbon resistance elements are widely available and not very inexpensive. They are most reliable at the temperature. Strain free elements are used to wire element mainly support within the sealed housing field within the inert gas. Now we discuss about its feature. First advantage: high accuracy, wide temperature range from 200 to 650. This is smaller in size, faster response, great reliability, stable accuracy performance over the many years. Disadvantage is also there: higher cost, bridge circuit and the power supply are needed. Heating and resistance element are current through the bridge circuit lead to accuracy. Mechanical uses larger bulb size than the thermocouple, slower response time than the thermistor. Okay, thank you. I hope you can understand.